How to change password in Windows 10. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change password in Windows 10. So let's just get started with the video and how to do that. So let's just do that. First of all, you just need to head over and open up your settings of your computer, your Windows 10. You can just go ahead and click Windows plus I and open up your settings from your device. And once you do that, you'll be finding this home page. So from the home page, you need to head over to this section of this one right here that says account under devices. This one, open it up, and when you head over there, you'll be finding this interface. So from the left menu, go ahead and locate this option called sign in options. Open it up, and from here, you'll be finding different security options. Go to the password one, and once you are here, you'll be finding this add option. But if you already have set up a password, you'll be finding change instead of add. Just go ahead and tap on change and follow the on-screen prompts in order to change up your password of your Windows 10. So that is it. That is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.